Assalamualikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. So last class we have studied about i'rab in feminine nouns. Inshallah, in today's class we'll be studying about declination in nouns. Previous classes we have studied about the nouns which shows fully declination. So there are nouns which fully decline, and these nouns are known as triptotes. Triptote. That is, we have seen the three categories, that is marfu, mansub and the majrur state. So that means the noun is fully declining. So the fully declining nouns are known as triptotes. So in today's class we will be studying about the partially declining nouns that are known as diptotes or mamnu min as-sarf. And there is another category of noun which do not decline. These are known as mabni. So what is declination actually means? Declination means in the triptotes all the three signs can be seen, that is the dhamma, fatha and the kasra. Partially decline means only two signs can be seen, that is dhamma and fatha. In triptotes we can see all the three signs, that is dhamma, fatha and the kasra. In diptotes we can see only dhamma and fatha, and in mabni we will not see any sign. Okay, no sign is seen. Now this diptotes and the triptotes, that is the triptote nouns and the diptote nouns. These two nouns are grouped under mu'rab. So this triptote and the diptote, these are grouped under mu'rab. Now this mu'rab are divided into two types, as we know, that is diptote and triptote. The triptote in Arabic is known as munsarif. The triptote in Arabic is known as munsarif nouns. So munsarif means this will be showing all the three signs. It will be showing three signs of the i'rab will be showing, that is, as I said earlier, that is dhamma for marfu and fatha for mansub and kasra for majrur. The second category of the noun which shows declination is triptote, that is diptote. So diptote in Arabic is known as ghair munsarif. So these diptote nouns, they show only two signs. Okay, so that's why they are known as diptotes. So diptotes in Arabic is known as ghair munsarif. They show only two signs. So what are the two signs? In the marfu state they will be showing dhamma, in the mansub state they will be showing fatha, and in the majrur state also they will be showing fatha. There is no kasra in diptotes. And these diptotes also, they do not show tanween. These diptote nouns, they do not have tanween at the end. And these diptote nouns, they do not show kasra. That is the zair. So let us see some of the examples of diptotes. That is mamnu, ghair munsarif. Examples of the diptotes. So in the marfu state, the example is Ibrahimu. Okay, in the marfu state it is Ibrahimu. That is, you can see dhamma at the end, so that means it is in the marfu state. And in the mansub state you can see Ibrahima, that is meme should have a fatha. So you can see in mansub state it is Ibrahima, that is the meme is having a fatha at the end. And in the majrur state, and similarly in the majrur state also you can see Ibrahima. So as we said earlier, the diptotes will not be having kasra. In the mansub state as well as in the majrur state, the end letters will be having the fatha. There is no kasra in diptote nouns, that is ghair munsarif nouns. Now let us take the second example, that is in Aminatu. And moreover, the end letters will not be taking the tanween also. The diptote nouns will not be taking tanween, that is not double dhamma or not double fatha or not the double kasra. So in the marfu state you can see Aminatu, and in the mansub state you can see Aminata, and in the majrur state also it is Aminata, because these diptote nouns will not be taking kasra. Let us take one more example, that is the Jahannamu. In the marfu state it is Jahannamu. In the mansub state it is Jahannama. And as well as in the majrur state it is Jahannama, because diptotes will not take kasra or tanween at the end of the letter. Now let us take one more example, that is Umaru. In the Marfu state it is Umar, Umaru, and in the Mansub state it is Umara, Umara, and as well as in the Majrur state also it is Umara. So there is no kasra or no fatha, there is no kasra and no tanween at the end of the noun. So these are diploid nouns. Inshallah, in the next class we'll be studying about the third category of the nouns, that is which do not show any declination. We do not decline. So these nouns are known as mabni nouns. Inshallah, in the coming class we'll be studying about this mabni nouns. Ma salam.